Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll learn how to set up email reminders in Zoho Projects, the 2025 guide. Let's start with logging into your Zoho Projects account. The reason we do this is to access your project details and manage your email reminders. Make sure you're on the home page where you can see all your current projects. Once you're in, go to the Settings tab located on the upper right corner of your screen. This helps us because the Settings tab is where Zoho houses all the customizable features for your project, including email reminders. Next up, select Email Notifications from the drop-down menu. Let me explain why this matters. Email Notifications is where you can set up your reminders. It provides a list of actions for which you can set reminders. Now that we've done that, you will see a list of events, like task assigned, task completed, etc. Check the boxes next to the events for which you want to receive email reminders. The reason we do this is to ensure that you don't miss any important events related to your project. You can select as many or as few as you want, depending on your preferences. Moving forward, you also have the option to set reminders for other team members. This is done by checking the boxes in the Notify Others column. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you check these boxes, Zoho Projects will send email reminders to your team members whenever these events occur. Finally, don't forget to click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. This helps us because it ensures that all your preferences are recorded and implemented by Zoho Projects. And that's it. You've just set up email reminders in Zoho Projects. Remember, setting up these reminders can help you and your team keep track of your project's progress and deadlines, making your project management more efficient. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, keep exploring Zoho Projects and don't hesitate to set those reminders.